So I have soaked 1.5 cups of raw almonds in hot water for at least 2 hours. I think it's actually been 3 or 4 maybe while I've been doing other things. And I am popping the skins off of these just by squeezing the almond. The skin pops right off. And I'm putting these in a blender so that I'm left with homemade almond milk that has no additives. I'm not adding any flavorings or anything. I just want it to be plain. Tomorrow I'm going to make with this homemade pumpkin spice latte. Raw almonds soaked and skinned. They expand quite a bit. Now I need to add 6 cups of filtered water, and I will blend that and strain it. It's all been blended, and now I'm just straining out the almond pulp, and then I'm going to transfer it to a jar and refrigerate it until tomorrow. I'm going to lightly squeeze this bag, but I don't want to get a bunch of pulp coming through out of it. Last time I made this, I oven dried the almond meal that was left and put it in a vacuum sealed bag into the freezer, thinking I might bake with it. Actually, because of the fine sieve of this bag, I'm actually able to squeeze this pretty tight and not get any almonds coming through. Quite a bit. It looks really nice and creamy. Now I'm pouring the finished almond milk into my pitcher, which will go into the refrigerator for one thing, to make my homemade pumpkin spice latte. I think I might drink this a little bit right now, or at least taste it. So that's going in the fridge. Super excited.